Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick that goes by the name of Kiss. So this lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills is such a beautiful lipstick. It's a very pretty blush pink, very light, very subtle. So this is such a beautiful blush pink color. It's going to look beautiful on every skin tone, fair, medium, or dark skin. It's going to look absolutely beautiful. But the color is not the best part of this. The best part of this is actually the formula of this lipstick. It's not just a matte, but this is a beautiful, extremely beautiful velvet matte. Like, it is so comfortable to wear. It is not the most opaque formula out there, but it's so incredibly easy to wear, so incredibly comfortable, applies really smoothly, and it just feels like velvet on your lips. It's like velvet on your lips. Velvet. And I just love that. So I'm going to compare this to a shade that a lot of people think is actually very similar, and that is the MAC Meher lipstick. I suck at swatches, like seriously. Anyways, these two shades often are compared to each other, but this one, as you can see, is very cool toned and a little bit more darker, like more pigmented, but also a little bit more cooler or darker. It's definitely got a lot more purple into it, where this has a lot more peach into it. It is so subtle and so feminine, and I just love this color. And yeah, that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Kiss. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.